Many times it is seen that our Windows C drive gets blocked and turned red by junk files. This video is for only computer users. I will show you 4 steps. By those, you can free C drive. Step 1. Press Windows plus R button from keyboard and say pop-up. Search here Prefetch. Then we can see many junk files. Basically, these are blocking our C drive space. Press Ctrl plus A and delete them. Fill right mark and skip this. Step 2. Again press Windows plus R button. Now search here temp. Delete all file from here. Step 3. Again press Windows plus R button and search %temp%. Select all and delete them as before. Step 4. This is last step. Go to Windows search box and search here temporary file and open it. There are many temp files that are blocking our space. Select all and delete them. Okay. Refresh this PC and check storage. We can see it has turned from red to blue. Like this video and subscribe the channel and must share to computer users.